Score 35.
Double big win to the Carlo Medals Labuan.
Fourth quarter.
Malay mo lang.
Bulan awal, Labuan, Presiden Presiden Kuat, lebih dapat masuk ke dalam pimpinan. Pimpinan Mr. Number 18, Mr. Number 18, Pimpinan Grace. Oleh 2 points, jersey number 18. With the ball, Mr. Number 23, Number 23, Nakahan ng kapasan. With the number 11. 3 points, jersey number 11.
Aman, tayo lang.
Kumain ka.
Dali ang bawal pa.
Number 18, number 18 in the ball. Pass to Mr. Number 71. Silent, Mr. Number 59. Mr. Number 59 to Milan. No good. Mr. Number 10. Number 10 to Mr. Number 23. Number 23 to Mr. Number 21. Number 21 to Silent. Collect 2 points. With the ball. Mr. Desante. Jersey number 18. With the ball. With the ball. Pass to Mr. Number 71. Pass number 8. Number 8. Nakakapasahan may sumakit na foul si Mr. Number 11. Lepas jersey number 59 dan Mr. Number 18. Number 18 dan number 8. Silent. Tumira. No good. Rebound jersey number 11. Number 11 Papadale. Papadale si jersey number 11. Nakakapasahan. Pass to number 23 to number 31. Pass to Mr. Number 11. Mr. Solico. Silent jersey number 10 to Mr. Solico. No good. Rebound again Mr. Number 8. Correct. 2 points. Jersey number 59. Jersey number 23 winning the ball. To number 11. Jersey number 11 Sulu. Mr. Number 31. Third round. Silent. Jersey number 10 to Milan. Connect. 2 points. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 29 winning the ball. Pass to Mr. Number 18. Score 7 against 5. Number 10, pass to Mr. Number 21. Giving the ball to Mr. Number 31. Pass to Mr. Number 23 to Milan. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 23. 9 against 5 in favor of Pablo Paul. Oras, 17 segundos. Ang natitirang oras. Mr. Desante. Pass to Mr. Number 59. 59. Sumalaksa. Pinasasabas si Mr. Desante. May tawag na traveling violation. Substitution. Substitution. Mr. Number 23. Out. Mr. I don't know. Number 59. Jersey number 23 to Mr. Number 11. Pass to Mr. Number 21 to Mr. Number 10. Number 10, magagap ng kapasahan. No good, rebound. Mr. Number 59. Mr. Number 59 ang pamadali. Aras na Mr. Number 11. Naawag na Number 59 ang sa labas. Mr. Number 10 to Mr. Number 59 again. Tumira ng press. 3 points, Jersey. Number 8. Jersey number 23, pass to Mr. Number 10. Number 10, pass to Mr. Number 31. Connect 2 points, Jersey number 31.
Time remaining, 1 second for the second score.
Dribbling the ball. Relax, dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng kapasaan. Pumasok sa ilalim. May sa loose ball. Time out. Right. Time out. Again against 8 more Pavilion. Mr. Number 8 sa ilalim. Pass to Mr. Number 83. No good. Pass back. Nagagawa ng bola.
Second throw.
Ball. The ball.
Oras 2 minutes and 36 seconds.
Number 9. Pasak. Jersey number 9. Sa ilalim. Jersey number 10. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 10.
1-1.
Jersey number 18. Jersey the ball. Jersey number 18. Number 18.
Foul number 11.
Super is the number 33. Number 18. No, connect 2 points. Jersey number 18. 17 against 8 in the ball. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Mr. Lusante, dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Mr. number 23 to number 8 to number 18. Sumalaksak. Ay sumamit na foul. Si jersey number 18. Jersey number 18, your first personal foul. Binigyan ng dalawang kila si Mr. Lusante. Jersey number 18. Last ball. No good. Rebound jersey number 31. And number 1 Mr. Number 10. Number 10 to Mr. Salazar. Mr. Salazar pass to Mr. Number 31. Sumalagsak sa ilalim. Pass sa labas. Mr. Number 31. Number 31 sa ilalim. Sitting on the lanes. Sitting on the lanes. Substitution. Substitution. Labas ang labas. Pasok ang pumasok. Pasok!
Oras 14.
Nasa labas ngayon, jersey number 8, pass to Mr. number 18.
Foul number 1.
Number 18, pass sa lalim lang. Nakuha na number 9. Number 9 to Mr. number 23, yung mga madaling 18. Wala na kami makita dito, tipon na. Upo lang tayo. Kasi ang tipon, wala na kami ang tipon. Out.
2 points.
Wow, only 2 points, jersey number 59.
Score.
41.
Lagi tanawa.
Jersey the ball, jersey number 31. Nanalang nakapasa to Mr. number 9. Number 18. Number 18 pass sa labas connect. 3 points, jersey number 9. Now 20 against 11 in favor of Pavilion. Last 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time of the first quarter.
So 50 minutes.
Bola ng Club 1. Nasa labas, jersey number 84. To Mr. number 33. Number 23. Steven Mr. Number 41 to Mr. number 13. Sumalaksak Mr. number 13. Good. Rebound, jersey number 8. Tumira. Connect 2 points, jersey number 8. Nasa labas, to Mr. number 25 to Mr. number 1. Good with the ball, jersey number 1. Number 1, good with the ball. Naghanap ng kapasa. Jersey number 25. Number 25 to Mr. number 11. Number 11 to number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 0. to number 25. No good. Rebound. Sideline. No good. Rebound. 84-84. To the ball is number 84. To Mr. number 23. Sumalaksak. No good. Rebound again. Mr. number 84. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 84. Number Mr. Sino. To Mr. number 1. Number 1. Hindi po nagkahanap ng kapasahan si jersey number 1. Pass to Mr. number 25. Number 25 to Mr. number 0. Number 0. Sideline. Pinasa. Jersey number 7 to number 25. May sumabit na foul. Nice one. Nice one. Nice go. Okay. Connect 1 point. Mr. number 25. Score 22 against 15 in favor of Hamilton. Oras, last 8 minutes ang natitira. Lumuto, jersey number 8. Providing violation. Dribble muna bago takbo. Number pass to Mr. number 11. Number 11 bring the ball to number 11 na Mamadali. Number 11 na Mamadali. Tumira! No good! Pupunta sa labas. It's a loose ball. Jersey number 11.
Posisyon.
Number 41 bring the ball. Pass to Mr. number 23. Number 23. Number 23. Tinanong pa. May kusitaw si jersey number 11. You are second personal foul. First personal foul. No good. Rebound jersey number 7. Number 7. Pass to jersey number 1.
Pressure. Kader.
Pass sa ilalim jersey number 0. May sumabit. May providing violation na ginawa sa ilalim.
Pakihan.
Sa labas, jersey number 41, pass to Mr. number 33. Number 33, nagkahanap ng kapasahan, dribbling the ball, nagdadala ng tae, ako pala. Pass to number 84, to number 23. Ay, sumamit na pa, founded basket. Ang basket count, jersey number 23.
Parang okay na. Kanina, parang okay na. Sobra natin. Back.
We get those.
Position. Go, run. Foul.
Okay, pasok.
Han.
Bola.
Correct.
Jersey number 80. Pass to Mr. 24 to Mr. number 18. Tumira. No good. Rebound jersey number 8. Jersey number 0 to Mr. number 1. Number 1 to Mr. number 11. Number 11 na Mabini. No good. Rebound jersey number 85. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 25. Score 24 against 17 in favor of Hamilton. Oras 4 minutes and 37 seconds. Number 53. Turn around. Trouble violation. Trouble violation tayo na. Kita na rin ba? Palpak. Pasok sa number 25. Number 25 sa ilalim. Mr. number 7. Number 7. Number 7. Nagkakaroon ng kulang-kulang. Mr. number 10. Mr. Mamalaking Papa. Number 8. Nagmamadali. Pipi! Substitution. Sub. Pasok. Number 11, your second personal foul. Warning for penalty, Hamilton. Jersey number 1. Number 1, Steven. May sumabit na foul. Who's foul red? Jersey number 5. 59. Bigyan ng dalawang tira si Mr. number 25.
Announcement for our rugby team, championship game between the Chaneros at Achaburi. Bigyan mo kayo ng
Last ball. Connect 1 point. 26 now. Jersey number 18, moving the ball. Moving the ball to 59, pasang. Passing to number 59. 59, sumalaksak, ay sumapit sa ilalim na foul. Foul, Jersey. Jersey number 31, pushing foul. Penalty. Number 31, moving the ball. Jersey number 31. Number 31. Nakamadali. No good. Rebound. Jersey number 59. Number 59. Number 53.
Han!
Basket count. Substitution. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 23. Basket count. Binigyan ng isang bonus stroke si Mr. number 23. Unang tip. No good. Pass to Mr. Nangatawa ng bola. Nakuha ni Mr. number 25. Mr. number 23. Number 23 na pamadali. Number 23. Sa ilalim. Pass. Ay! Tawan! Jersey number 25 is the loose ball. Oras! 34 seconds. 30 seconds. Ang natitirang oras. Jersey number 18. Sa ilalim ko na 2 point. Jersey number 23. Last 17 seconds. Number 31. Shooting the ball. Jersey number 31. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time! For the second pick. Tulungan mo ito rin. Bola ng black. Hamilton. Shooting the ball. Pass to Mr. number 11. Mr. number 11. Naghanap ng kapasahan. Pass to Mr. number 59. To Mr. number 9. Number 9. Sumalaksak. Ay, sumalit na tao. Inulo. Inulong. Number 8. Foul. Jersey number 8. Oras. 9 minutes and 32 seconds. 26 against 21 in favor of Hamilton. Unang tira. Wala. jersey number 18. Moving the ball against the Reyes, moving the ball against the Reyes, jersey number 59. Number 59, number 59. It's a loose ball. Loose ball. Bola ng white, bola ng kapwa. Nasa labas, jersey number 59. Pass to Mr. number 18. Number 18, moving the ball Mr. number 18. Kagahanap ng kapasahan jersey number 18. Number 18 to Mr. number 23. Number 23. Nagmamadali jersey number 23 again. Goal goal, isa na. Nakuha ni Mr. number 8. Number 8 nagmamadali. Number 8, moving the ball, pass to Mr. number 29. Kumama. Laksa. May sumabit ng power. Who's power? Jersey number 23.
Let's go get it.
First man.
You are first personal foul.
Dito.
Unang tira, connect. Pangalawang tira. Sub. Winning the ball, Mr. Aki, to Mr. number 23. Mr. number 3, number 3 to Mr. number 18, number 18, atas kay Mr. number 3, and Mr. Wilson.
Travel!
It's black to Mr. number 11, number 11. Caught, no good. Rebound, jersey number 59. Number 59 to Mr. number 8. Number 8 to Mr. number 53. No good. Rebound, jersey number 3. Number 3 pass to Mr. number 23. Giving the ball to Mr. number 23. Nagmamadali. Number 23. Wow! Wow! Sayang! Nagkabanggaan ang ulo. Nagpalit ng mukha. Jersey number 18. Pass to the labas. Jersey number 23. Kumira. No good. Rebound. Mr. number 59. Pass to Mr. number 23. Steve to Mr. number 18. It's a loose ball. It's a loose ball.
5 minutes to go. Championship game. First man,
Jersey number 18. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 18. Sa ilan. Pass to Mr. number 22. Mabit na foul. Substitution red. Sub. Jersey number 3 out. In jersey number 10. Sub ulit. Sub. Double sub. Kabinti in. Out. Mr. number 23. Binigyan ng dalawang tira si Mr. number 23. Unang tira. Hindi sumagot.
Score siya 23.
Pangalawang tira.
24.
Connect 1 point. Alas! 5 minutes and 24 segundos. Score! 27 against 24. And the ball, Pavel Bird. Jersey number 7. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Mr. number 11. Mr. number 11. Dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng kapasahan sa ilalim. Mr. number 10. To Mr. number 11. Pass to sa ilalim. Mr. number 7. Connect 2 points. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 10. Pass to Mr. number 10. Averaging 18. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Mr. number 23. Pass again to Mr. number 18. Dribbling the ball. Naghahanap ng kapasahan sa jersey number 18. Tumira ng press. No good. Rebound jersey number 23. Number 23 dribbling the ball. To Mr. number 59. No good. Rebound. May sumabing na foul. Jersey number 10. Jersey number 10. You are first personal foul. Substitution red. Sub. Is the number 31, dribbling the ball. Dribbling the ball, jersey number 31. The pass to Mr. number 10. Number 10, number 10, Inaraho. Ang laki mo. Rebound, jersey number 59. Number 59.
Run! Run!
Mr. number 59. Ako na lang. Hindi pa sumagot. Sayang, number 11. Dribbling the ball, jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, pass to Mr. number 25. Tumira. No good.
Run!
Number 23. Side step back. No good.
Go back.
Mr. number 25. Pass to Mr. number 11. Connect to Vice to number 11. Come on, 21 against 24 in Timura. Until God. Oras. 3 minutes and 13 seconds. Mr. number 18 will the ball. Dribbling the ball to Mr. 18. Number 18 pass to Mr. number 59. Number 59 to Mr. number 23. Sa ilalim. Nakuha ni Mr. number 10. Rebound, connect 2 points, jersey number 8. Substitution.
Right, stop!
Sab. Sabisa. Substitution. Jersey number 11. Number 11. Number 1, Steve and Mr. number 71. Number 71, connect 2 points, jersey number 71. To Mr. number 11. Number 11, Obama sa Chris. Tumawi, no good. Pass to
Lalang, lalang.
Mr. number 18. Number 18, nagmamadali. Connect 2 points, jersey number 18. Alas, 41 seconds. Score, 31 against 30. In Deborah Hamilton. Number 7. Number 7. Silent Mr. number 25. Inaraw, connect. 2 points, jersey number 7. Number 8. Pass to jersey number 71. Pass to Mr. number 8 sa ilalim. May tinawag na traveling violation. May tinawag na violation. In English, walking without license. Number 25, pass to Mr. number 10. Number 10. Uy, wow! Nakasabi sa iyo, jersey number 30. Foul, jersey number 30.
Bata na pa ulit. Bata na to.
Jersey number 11. Dribbling the ball down to Mr. number 18. To Mr. number 71. Dribbling number 11. Number 11. Pass to Mr. number 7. Number 7. Number 7 to Mr. number 1. No good.
Bounce, run! Run!
5 seconds. 4. Time for the third quarter. Within 2 points.
Go down, Hans. Go down, Don. Go down, Don.
32 against 33.
Go
Lead the
down.
ball. Top of the court. Number 7, 37, number 25. White touch. Producer number 8.
How many fouls? How many fouls?
Third foul. Third.
5 minutes and 58 seconds. First quarter.
Nasa labas. Jersey number 25. Producer number 31. Number 31. Number 31. Naghahanap ng kapasa. Nasa number. May sumamit na foul. Bruce Conrad. Foul. Si 51.
How many fouls?
Jersey number 23. Number 23. Producer number 25. Number 23 again. Pass to Mr. number 25. Performa. Tumila. Connect. No good. Lumabas. Nakuha ni Mr. number 71. Number 71 to Mr. number 18. Number 18. Giving the ball to Mr. number 18. No good. Lumabas. Nakuha ni Mr. number 8.
Go back. Go. Look up, Hans.
29, 59, inside. May sumabit, kunting foul. May foul na sumabit. Binigyan ng foul, Mr. number 31. Jersey number 31, second personal foul. 6 minutes and 57 seconds. Score 33 against 33. Nakuha ni Mr. number 18. Number 18. Number 18. Bringing the ball team. Number 18. May sumabit. Now, double dribble. Substitution. Pasok. Winning the ball is number 23. Number 23. Number 23. Dribbling the ball. Nagdala ng kapasan. May sumabit sa ilalim ng foul.
One motion na siya!
Who's foul? Jersey number 13.
Tagal niya!
Right, are you right?
Three pa na.
Kalaban lang, kasama lang.
Foul, Jersey number 71.
Katulak.
Ang tawag na Aguila foul. Ang tawag na Aguila foul. Nilalaking kamay.
3 minutes and 60 seconds for the first quarter at the game. 7 minutes to score.
Binigyan ng dalawang tira si Mr. Aquino. Unang tira ni Mr. Aquino. No good.
Right.
Last row. Connect. 1 point.
So, wala pa. Upo muna para pahinga ka. Sabi niya, right up. Right, sabi niya.
Pass to Mr. number 59. 59 alas para Mr. number 59. Nakakawa ng bola.
Stop it.
Foul. May foul na sumabit. Jersey number 5, 9.
2 minutes and 50 seconds left.
Penalty. Penalty na rin. Binigyan ng dalawang tira si Mr. Salazar. Unang tira, Busno. Connect 1 point.
Third fourth. Fourth.
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Second ball, no good. Still the Mr. Number 23. Number 23. No good. Rebound, Mr. Number 7. Connect 2 points, jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 10 to Mr. Number 23. Jadi bawah Mr. Number 23. Pass to Mr. Number 8 to Number 23. Agak ada maksa to Mr. Number 18. Number 18 jadi the ball. Pass to Mr. Number 29 to Mr. Number 23. Foul. Number 18. Foul dari number 18. Walang foul. Stop. Mr. Number 84. Jersey number 23 to number 8. Correct. Jersey number 31. Jersey number 31. Number 31. Forma. No good. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 31. Mr. Aquino. Mr. Aquino. Nagkahanap ng tempo. Nagkahanap ng kapasan. Mr. Aquino. Sumalaksak sa ilalim. Pinasa. Mr. Number 25. Number 25. To Mr. Number 8. Giving the ball Mr. Number 8. Mamadali. Jersey number 8. Pass to Mr. Number 18. Number 18. Pass to Mr. Number 23. To Riva. Riva. Jersey number 25. Number 25 to Mr. Aquino. Mr. Aquino. Jersey number 21. Giving the ball Jersey number Mr. Salazar, giving the ball. Naghahanap ng kapasan to Ilan Chris. Lewis, rebound, jersey number 34. May sumagot na foul. Last 1 minute and 43 seconds. Score, 39 against 35. And them up, Hamilton. Hanapin, them up. Hamilton. Thank you so much. Jersey number 18. Pass to Mr. number 23. Number 23 saya. May sumabit. Who's power? Number 31. Pushing foul. You are third. There's no foul. Together. So, it's a loose ball.
19 ball.
Last 10 seconds.
9, 8, 7, 6.
Wow. Number 8. Penalty na rin. Last 1 minute and 22 seconds. Score 39 against 35 in favor of Hamilton. Special thanks SWFSI, South American Political Society Incorporated, Rugby League Basketball League. Thank you so much. Volunteer, Mr. Riva, connect, not going.
John, portal.
Wow, Mr. Aquino, wala. Gusto, pasok na, Aquino. Last 1 minute and 18 seconds. Mr. Number 10, Mr. Number 10, oy, may sumabit na foul. Jersey number 0. So, pinagpina mo, man. penalty. Binigyan ng dalawang tira si jersey number 23.
Third violation yung laro natin, ano lang to, undelicate break zone.
Ano sa pagkakas? Ano suntukan? Okay, suntukan. Pending lang. Ayun. Sorry. Last ball, no good. Mesa number 25, pumasok mesa number 22. Kay Kadua, mesa number 0. 0 to mesa number 31. Flipping the ball. Flipping the ball, mesa number 31. Pass to mesa number 25. Number 23. Ay, sumabit. Who's falling?
6 minutes and 30 seconds left on.
Number 59, pushing foul. Substitution. Last 44 seconds to score. 41 against 35.
6 minutes and 30 seconds on the second quarter. Among the Chilenos, 20 down, 1-2. Kailan ang rest?
Time out, Ray. Time out. Time out.
3 goals. 13 pound. 1
Jersey number 71. Number 71. Pass to jersey number 59. Number 59. Number 59. Ay sumabit.
32.
Ay sumabit na pa. Who's foul? 31. Number 31, you are fourth personal foul. Fourth. Isang foul na lang. Pagkita-kita na tayo sa Boracay. Tunang tira, connect. Oras na natira. 35 segundos. No good. Napakainis na natin. Don't forget, rebound by Suarez na power ng jersey number 59. Foul jersey number 59. Jersey number 59, you are fourth personal foul. Segundos. Score 42 against 36. Unang tira, jersey number 0. Connect 1 point.
Second quarter, 30 seconds left on the second quarter. Wala na.
Connect. Substitution. Number 18 na papadali. Number 18 ay sumabit. Time now, Commonwealth. 27 seconds.
Wait, kita ka doy. Wait lang. Wait. Down three.
Jersey number 7. Nagkaharap ng kapasahan. Pass to jersey number 10. Number 10. Pass to jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 10. May foul. Oras, number 18 seconds. Score 44 against 36. Unang tira. Number 15 seconds. May sumabit. Jersey number 10.
31 seconds.
Last 12 segundos for the fourth quarter. Score 44 against 36. Rated off Mangalore.
27, 22,
Ulan tira. Lalu.
13, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Pangalawa. Balik.
3, 2, score 39.
Rebound. Last 8 seconds. Last 8 segundos. Jersey number 7. You are foul. Jersey number 7. Yan ng dalawang tira.
Third quarter to go, 39 points.
No good.